Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today's video I akan bercakap dalam bahasa Melayu sikit and I akan campur sikit dengan bahasa English. Today's video is nak cakap makeup tutorial. Yes, ada sikit makeup tutorial, but we will talk more about pasal brush ni. It's like huha sana huha sini, macam like everyone is talking about it. Semua orang tengah macam, that brush, I want that brush, oh my god. Semua nak brush tu. And baru-baru ni, if you follow my Instagram, I sebagai MC of the makeup class, the ultimate makeup class by Shastriana Shukri. NRC Rosely tiba-tiba datang ke makeup class. Semua orang macam, oh my god. Okay, so well, he is my friend, he is our friend NRC Rosely. Baru-baru ni mengeluarkan a set of magnetic brush. So I nak tunjuk kat you all this brush set in this box. Okay, box ni adalah macam I do marry you, you marry me, you know, all this kind of marry ni kan. Should I marry you just because you love my hair? Seriously? We'll see about that. So I dah buka, obviously I dah buka. Don't you want to see what's inside me first? I know you love me, but you really need to strip me off, my darling. So romantic lah NRC Rosely ni kan. So inilah box dia daripada NRC. Okay, ada dia punya logo kat sini, NRC sini dan sini. Okay, belakang tak ada apa-apa. So bila buka, kita strip it off. Okay, kita okay, kat dalam dia dah cakap lagi, hell yeah, I should, till death do us apart. My love, you can have my all, not just my beautiful hair. Lepas tu ada hashtag sexy brushes, brush commitment, you gonna trust, hair obsession. So macam ni kotak dia. Well, the box memang basically is all about black, white and a little bit of gold. That is NRC Rosely ataupun NRC punya tema. So kita akan tunjuk one by one apa ada dalam box ni. Okay, as you can see, this is the box. I will take out one by one, but before that, dia ada bagi good about NRC. They have all the details, okay? A complete guide of NRC. So this is the card that I received, okay? Inside, it says here, my darling you, if you love my hair, spread my awesomeness to the world, to the whole world. Tag NRC on your social media. Declare your love, my darling. With love, the hair that's yours, NRC. So macam bila you dapat ni kan, macam you dah jatuh cinta. Okay, I dah jatuh cinta dengan all the wordings, apa yang dia tulis dekat box, memang I dah jatuh cinta. And then dekat belakang ni, as you can see, there is the guide list. Okay, dia punya kegunaan. Macam face powder, dia dah tulis kat situ, it is a synthetic fibers, and then it says perfect for powder application both in loose and pressed forms. The bristles distribute out product evenly for flawless finish. Okay, so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 brushes in this box. If you buy the whole set, you will get all these brushes. Okay, so dekat box ni kita boleh scan the code. Okay, as you can see, look at that. Okay, ada code dekat situ. Alright, you boleh scan code ni and dia akan bagi tahu you if this brush is original or not. Okay, so purpose setengah company yang buat QR code ni sebab takut diorang buat tiruan brushes dari NRC, diorang tiru and diorang jual murah. So kita nak elakkan, company nak elakkan daripada benda tu terjadi. So they create this QR code for you to scan if it is original or not. Okay, I rasa it is a good step for brands sekarang ni, untuk zaman sekarang ni. Okay, so basically I tak nak tunjuk satu-satu, you all dah tahu, banyak yang dah tengok, dah nampak. This is the box. Okay, kat belakang ada tulisan sikit about the brushes. Okay, and then dekat sini you can see it says Coat Foundation Hair Synthetic Fibers. Ada susun dekat magnetic plate dia. So inilah rupa brushes daripada NRC. Kan, love tak? Cantik kan? It's lovely, you know, to have it on your makeup table, kan? It's beautiful. Okay, so menggigit-gigit lah, I takut jatuh. So senang untuk you nak buat kerja and so on. Okay, so let's try one by one. Let's go. Sebelum kita start makeup, I akan spray, okay, dengan Prime and Set Luxury Water from NRC. I akan apply the Luxury Magic Moisturizer and Primer from NRC. Okay, I love this moisturizer so much. It is hydrating. Okay, I dah pakai lama dah. Okay, sebenarnya this moisturizer, it is really good. Then I am going to apply this NRC foundation, okay, in the coat light. I akan pakai foundation brush ni. This is a synthetic brush, okay. That lembut. Okay, sejujurnya I sebenarnya bukan kira orang kata tak pakai foundation brush. I suka beauty blender. Hari tu I ada try juga foundation brush ni. I tak berapa in love sebab I bukan brush fan. I am a what do you call that, a beauty blender fan. Okay, but Lynn Zakaria, my friend, cakap kat I, you letak produk dekat brush. So I'm gonna try that today. Okay, so I dah letak foundation NRC coat light dekat sini. So I akan ambil menggunakan I punya brush ni, apply macam tu. Okay, I will I akan treat dia macam beauty blender, macam tu, because I like. Betul lah Lynn Zakaria. Thank you, babe. And to look at that. Oh my god. Okay, sekarang I'm in love. Sejujur, betul, serius, jujur, I memang tak in love dengan brush ni mula-mula. I macam tak review sangat brush ni. I buat Insta story. There you go, as you can see, there and there. Loving it. Okay, because I memang nak kata I takkan suka this brush, but yes, best. Okay, I like it. Dia lembut. Okay, dia macam buttery. You know, macam you have the feelings of the beauty blender. You know, it's bouncy. Okay, dia tak menyucuk you punya kulit. Okay, some brushes synthetic ni dia macam terlalu tajam and I don't like it. But this one, dia tak tajam. It is really good. Next, I am going in with my concealer, my favorite concealer from Clio in the code number 3. And then I akan guna the full cover concealer brush. To be honest, ada fallout 1 or 2, okay, but I dah remove kan. So I think sebab dia baru, okay. So, yang foundation brush tadi I memang jatuh cinta, I akan pakai. But this concealer brush, kalau you suka brush, it works. You can you will love this brush, okay. Sebab it works lah. Tapi untuk I suka beauty blender juga. So yes. To set my foundation and concealer, I akan pakai this face powder. Oh my god, sangat lembut. This synthetic, okay. synthetic bristles lembut sangat. I akan pakai ni dengan NRC loose powder. This powder brush you kena beli, okay? Sebab you akan jatuh cinta, and I dah jatuh cinta. Okay, so you boleh swirl macam tu juga. Dia takkan kacau you punya base. That's the best. Yeah, nothing much to say. Lembut, okay. And then dia, bila dia kena dekat you punya muka macam lembut sangat, tak tajam langsung, tak ada fallouts, okay. Bristles dia tak terkeluar. So, love. For my eyebrows, I akan pakai this brow definer. Okay, dia macam ni. Okay, brow definer ni is goat hair. Okay, using pomade eyebrow, ataupun you boleh pakai powder. So today I akan pakai powder. My eyebrows are done. Okay, I love this brow definer. Love sangat. Okay, senang nak dibentuk, senang nak blend. Okay, you senang nak fill in. So kalau you all suka pakai pomade ataupun powder, this is a good brush for you. Okay, next is my eyeshadow. NRC eyeshadow in the coat Rosewood. Nak pakai this eye socket brush. Okay, good hair. So kita ambil socket kita. Wow. Wow, it blends very well. This one is a blending brush. So I'm gonna take my Makeup Forever bronzer. Okay, and then I will just blend my eyeshadow. Okay, and then I am going in with the eyeshadow brush. Okay, dia sangat nipis. Selalunya I akan pakai bawah mata. Alright, I am done with my eyeshadow. So I akan pakai I punya mascara, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I am done with my mascara. So next I akan pakai this face contour. Okay, I love this shape. As you can see, dia shape yang begini. Okay, so senang untuk you nak follow the line. So I akan pakai NRC, okay, compact powder in the coat extra dark color. Okay, pick up. Okay, so as you can see, you have that line. And then if you don't like, macam I tak suka line tu, so I can just blend it up. Okay, so this brush is goat hair. Okay, you can see, nampak tu? So senang untuk beginners. Okay, yang macam kadang-kadang macam diorang cakap, Maria, how? Macam mana I nak dapatkan line tu dekat mana and so on. So this brush is actually memang akan guide you as you yang beginners, yang tak tahu mana, dekat mana you nak letak, kan? So I think you should get this. Okay, so nampak ni, kalau you letak macam ni, okay, kalau you letak macam ni, dia terus kat jawline you ni. So senang. Okay, you dah tahu mana you nak letak. So you kena dapatkan. Alright. Okay, untuk hidung, actually you boleh pakai this eye blender brush. Okay, and then you boleh contour you punya hidung juga. Okay, sebab dia tak terlalu besar, dia tak terlalu kecil, memang just nice, and dia boleh blend well onto your nose. Okay, untuk blusher pula, I will use this blusher brush. Okay, blusher brush ni adalah goat hair. Wow, yang bestnya, dia memang senang untuk you nak like that. Okay, it is a perfect size. Okay, it is a perfect size for your cheeks. And also you can use this blusher brush as your finishing. Macam you boleh pakai you punya compact powder, macam ni NRC punya compact powder. Okay, just ambil sikit, you just, you know, untuk your finishing. So this blusher brush you boleh pakai untuk blusher, you boleh pakai untuk compact powder you. Okay, and boleh juga untuk contour. Boleh juga. Kalau you dah pandai mana you nak letak, you just pakai this blusher brush and you can do your contouring, your blusher, and for your compact powder. Okay, brush yang terakhir hari ni adalah the fan brush. Okay, fan brush ni selalunya orang pakai untuk dust off, ataupun I boleh pakai untuk nak shading barang. And finally, selalunya boleh pakai untuk highlighter. So this fan brush is a raccoon hair. Okay, I akan pakai highlighter from Becca in the code Champagne Pop. Okay, kita try. Look at that. Yes, okay. I'm in love with this brush. Okay, this is good for highlighter. I like it. Dia memang pick up the product. I dah siap. I dah pakai lip cream. Okay, dalam set ni dia tak datang dengan lip brush. So if you are a fan of lip brush, there is no lip brush. But the best part is you don't have to buy the whole set. You boleh beli satu per satu. Okay, so you all boleh pergi ke NRC. I akan tulis kat sini ataupun sini ataupun sini. NRC punya website, and you all boleh tengok harga dia satu per satu. So jom kita, I'm gonna review ataupun I akan cakap yang mana I suka, yang mana I tak suka, yang mana yang okay, yang mana tak okay. So jom, senang nak pegang macam ni. Okay, we go one by one. First of all, I have the foundation brush. Okay, I love it. I suka. Okay, it's buttery, easy to apply. Okay, next is the face contour. I love it. It's easy to contour. Memang best. No comment. The blusher, no comment. Pakai blusher, dia boleh contour, and also dia boleh pakai untuk compact powder. So no comment, I like it. The face powder pun best, lembut, dia pick up products, and senang untuk you nak apply. Okay, and then I lupa pasal this petite blender pun best. Okay, petite blender dia pun I suka. I dah try dah hari tu, I love it. And then I like the eye socket too. It picks up the products. It's good. Okay, and then the fan brush, awesome, awesome, awesome. The eye blender pun awesome. It blends very, very well. And then the eyeshadow, I like the eyeshadow too. And I like the brow definer also. Okay, the last one is the full cover concealer. I tak jatuh cinta sangat dengan brush ni, but it works. It works fine. Okay, dia punya brush pun lembut, tak tajam. Cuma I tak berapa sangat lah. So if you like brushes for your cream concealer and so on, you can get this, not a problem. Okay, kalau you nak beli full set, harga dia 800 lebih. Tapi nanti I akan tulis kat sini berapa full set. Tapi kalau you tak nak beli full set, you boleh beli satu per satu dulu. Yang mana yang you tak ada, yang mana you rasa, oh I should get it, especially this one. Kalau I will get this blusher brush. So itu sahaja daripada I hari ni. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and jangan lupa tekan bell tu, loceng tu kan, so that you akan dapat notification. And also please like this video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.